Welcome back. Live visuals coming from the Patiala House Court over there, as in any time or minutes from now you can expect the dreaded gangster Anmol Bishnoi to be presented before the court, as the NIA will now be seeking his custody. What we can tell you and show you rather is the high security arrangements made over there, given how dreaded a gangster Anmol Bishnoi is. He's wanted as a prime suspect in various high profile killings, that of Sidhu Moosewala, even Baba Siddiqui's murder case, and in some minutes from now you can expect Anmol Bishnoi to be arriving at the Patiala House Court. In fact, the last we were told was that he was passing Akbar Road roughly 5 minutes ago, and in just any moments from now you can expect Anmol Bishnoi over there. But we can show you RAF and the Delhi police over there in high numbers. Let's quickly go across to Anshul. Anshul, what can you tell us about Anmol Bishnoi's whereabouts so far?
Well, yes, he is about to reach over here in the next 1 to 2 minutes is what we are being told. And at this point, the entire traffic that was leading up to the Patiala House Court, that traffic has also been stopped. The entire corridor has now been sanitized. Police personnel have been deployed on the roads itself. They are trying to make sure that each and every person who is just over here to get a sense of what is happening, they are removed from here as well, because this is a very, very high security matter at this point in time, and he is being brought over here in a jail van itself. So definitely the agencies are absolutely prepared to make sure that this entire process of bringing him to the court for the first time happens in the right way, in the right manner, and there are no loopholes that could be left, and that is what is being done outside Patiala House Court at this point in time. So yes, the movement is happening over here. We can expect that the motorcade would reach over here within the next minute or so, as Anmol Bishnoi along with the members of the of Delhi Police who are providing the outer security and NIA team will be reaching over here in the next 30 to 40 seconds itself.
Also, what can you tell us about the special public prosecutor and the lawyer who will be representing Anmol Bishnoi?
Yes, the lawyer who will be representing Anmol Bishnoi is the same lawyer who has represented Lawrence Bishnoi in several cases itself. In fact, the said lawyer is a part of the family of Lawrence Bishnoi itself, and hence she is the person who takes all these cases. In fact, the visuals are over here. The jail van has arrived over here at the Patiala House Court. You can see in these visuals that inside this jail van is Anmol Bishnoi, the dreaded gangster, and he has just arrived over here right outside the Patiala House Court. The vehicle has just passed right in front of us, and there will be a U-turn that would be taken, and then eventually the vehicle would enter inside Patiala House Court. So yes, Anmol Bishnoi has reached over here. The entire corridor that was set up, that was sanitized, that has proven to be successful. There has been no untoward incident that has happened till now at least, and just in the next 30 seconds I'll try to show you the visuals that he will be reaching over here, and I'll just ask my camera person to come and show you in the visuals over here. Right on the roads, the traffic has absolutely is being stopped. The vehicles that are managed to get inside, they are being asked to move away from here. Right on that red light, right in front of us, is the location where the U-turn will happen. Once that U-turn happens, they will be arriving over here right in front of our camera. So these visuals that you are seeing on your screens right now, the entire area has now been sanitized by the police and rapid action forces that have been deployed over here. You can see in these visuals that how the police is trying to manage the crowd that has gathered over here to get a sense as to what is happening. And just within the next 10 seconds, in fact the vehicle has started to come towards us. The lights on that vehicle, if you could see, those are the vehicles. Those are the cavalcade, part of the cavalcade that is arriving over here. And just in the next 10 to 15 seconds, we will get you those visuals as the jail van will enter inside the Patiala House Court, and straight away he will be taken to the NIA court for where the NIA will seek
in some
custody
seconds from now, rather, he should be there. And quickly, Anshul, if you can give us a sense of which are the other security agencies which are present over there, given that he's not just wanted by the NIA, that of course is the premium agency, but also other security agencies and various state polices as well. All right, that van arriving carrying Anmol Bishnoi.
Yes, The van has arrived. The van has arrived, and they are entering inside the Patiala House Court at this point in time. This is the jail van in which Anmol Bishnoi has been kept, and he has been transported safely all the way from all the way from the airport to over here at the Patiala House Court. These visuals that you are seeing on your screens right now is of Anmol Bishnoi. The vehicle has just arrived, and the vehicle now will be parked in front of the gate of the Patiala House Court so that he could be taken out and straight away could be rushed inside the court premises itself, because security, as we have been mentioning, it is very, very important. If you could see in these visuals as well, the amount of security that has arrived over here along with Anmol Bishnoi, that is absolutely appalling, and that actually tells you an entire story of how serious the agencies are to make sure that the entire transportation of Anmol Bishnoi that needs to be done, that should be done with all safety. Inside this vehicle itself, that is reversing at this point in time, and is going to stand right at the location at the gates of the Patiala House Court. Anmol Bishnoi is inside a lockup in this jail van itself. He has been kept inside, making sure that there is no way anything that could enter or hurt him in any way or in any manner. See, these visuals that you are seeing now is of the main gate of Patiala House Court, the gate number 1 of Patiala House Court, where the vehicle has now stopped, and Anmol Bishnoi will now be taken out from over here. The gates have opened. The gates of the vehicle has opened, and Anmol Bishnoi will be taken out amidst tight security at this point. So yes, there is a lot of movement that is already happening. He will be taken out within the next few seconds itself. The barricades have been put in place. If you could see in these visuals that ample amount of security is being deployed over here to make sure that the area around Anmol Bishnoi is absolutely sanitized. And now the gates have opened. The gates of the lockup inside the jail van has also been opened now, and he can step out any moment now. So definitely these are the big visuals that we are bringing to our viewers, that finally Anmol Bishnoi has now been brought out, and now is moving inside the Patiala House Court. You can see the amount of security that has been deployed. This actually narrates a very clear story that how serious are the agencies this time around to make sure that there is no untoward incident that happens. Now the gates of Patiala House Court have been closed. People who had arrived over here, they have been asked to vacate this entire location, and now as he has entered right inside the Patiala House Court, he will be taken straight on the first floor of the family court where the NIA court is. Remember, all the entire proceedings will happen in camera, and hence there are no people that will be allowed inside the courtroom at the point when Anmol Bishnoi will be available over there. So definitely the security is all done, and now just within the next few minutes we will try to get the information as to for how many days has the NIA sought custody and for how many days has that custody been granted. But the big piece of breaking news that we are bringing to our viewers is